Cotton. Imported. 100% cotton fabric, machine wash with cold water on gentle cycle, tumble dry low, do not bleach or run through a hot dryer. Protect your hands from heat. Heat resistant, allowing you to safely remove dishes from the oven and hot pots from the stove. Double mitt comes with multiple colors, perfect for Mother's Day, birthday, holidays, housewarming and hostess gifts. DII offers delightful kitchen linens including dishtowels, dishcloths, aprons, potholders, oven mitts, and more. To explore other collections, simply click the link at the top of the page. More DII kitchen oven mitts options. DII offers delightful kitchen linens including dishtowels, dishcloths, aprons, potholders and oven mitts. But for more options, search DII Aprons or click the DII link at the top of the page to explore our other collection. DII offers full collections of trend-based designs, bringing you fresh, innovative lines of quality home products for every season. Let DII products become a valuable part of your life. Top reviews from the United States. Works great to protect your hand, especially if you are using cast iron in your oven. I had no luck finding these handle mitts in department stores. I thought I was going to have to crochet my own or somehow fold and stitch a regular potholder to put over the handle of my frying pan. I am so glad I checked Amazon. These are perfect to remove a long-handled pan from the oven when you are cooking or baking in cast iron. The advantage is after you have used it to remove the pan, you can leave it on the handle so you don't accidentally touch it.